Meet our provider, Jill Heath-Karpinen, behavioral health therapist, Lakewood Clinic. What got you started in the healthcare field?
About 20 years ago now, I got started as a part-time job working with elderly, and I was like, I just needed some extra money at the time. So I thought, well, why not, right? It actually turned into something that I really enjoyed doing, and so it just kind of evolved from there. I went and got my psychology degree, started working with at-risk youth in an inpatient acute care. So then it just kind of kept evolving from there, and then I did some work with kids in treatment, and so now here I am with my degree, looking forward to expanding some more.
How would you describe your philosophy of care?
It's being in a partnership, essentially, right? Your client, the person coming to seek care, is going to be the one to really drive what it is that they want to see. Their goals, what they want to see happen. I will be their helper to kind of help navigate, but essentially they are going to be the leader in their care.
What drew you to work at North Lakes?
Being able to help rural communities, so that was something that I was really passionate about at school. I did a lot of research and a lot of papers on that, and so when I was finally done, I knew that this is where I wanted to go to help that population.
What does the North Lakes Community Clinic mission mean to you?
Working in that holistic view, being able to help the whole person, not just the one issue, helping the rural communities, just making sure everybody has access to care.
What advice would you give to your patients prior to seeing you?
I would just tell them to keep an open mind. You never know what you'll find, what you'll get. Be open to anything.
What are your professional interests?
So cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavioral therapy. I've done a lot of play-focused therapy, which I'm interested in getting more certification in. I've done a lot of, motivational interview, strengths-based, client-centered, a lot of those things, just to name a few.
What's your favorite Wisconsin food?
I had to think about this one because I'm not really a cheese person, so I had to go to the pasty with rutabaga and with mustard, not ketchup.
What are some of your hobbies?
I spend a lot of time with my family. That is where a lot of my free time goes. If it's not with my family, it's with pets. We have a large variety of pets, indoors and outdoors. We also, depends on the season, I might be outside in the garden working on some fence, or I might be inside by the fire having coffee and working on my crochet.
Jill is a behavioral health therapist at our Lakewood Clinic.